all doing? How are you all doing? Hello, my cutie popping queen. How are you doing? How are you doing? I hope you're poppy. I hope you're poppy. You guys know on this channel all we do is do what? Pop, 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 and pop. The hair I'm wearing today is from Love Me, guys. Oh my god. Take a moment to appreciate this hair. Like, look at this hair, so beautiful. This is the perfect summer hair. This hair is effortless. Like, you don't need to do much to this hair. It's glueless. You don't need to do much. As you can tell, I did not spend a lot of time wearing this hair. All I did was to put it on, guys. So I literally spent 5 minutes, like 5 minutes, you know. Can you imagine wearing your wig in 5 minutes and you're ready to go? You don't need to do no baby hair, no thing, no frontal, no whatever. So this is moves, and I have some conditioner here. Some people use water. You can use whatever you want, but you don't even need to do that, because look at it in its natural state. 1 minute you're ready to go. Like, literally 1 minute, take it out from the pack, put it on, shake, 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 and you're ready to go. Like, look at it in its natural state, like straight from the pack. And I did not do nothing, like absolutely nothing. 1 minute. You put this hair on, 1 minute, you're ready to go. You guys, 1 minute. But if you just want to do extra, you can spray water, which you don't really need. You can spray mousse, conditioner, whatever you want to spray, but you don't even need to do that. That's just you being extra. Very fast, glueless, completely glueless wig. And the good thing about this hair is, yeah, it has beautiful coils. So the coils look natural. Even at its natural state, it's natural. And even when you spray water, whatever you want to spray, the coil define beautiful. Perfect coils. I love the coils so much. Is this natural? It looks so natural. Like, even this, yeah, look at the middle. It looks like I'm wearing my own hair. Like, I actually just cut my hair in the fringe. Like, beautiful. I love this hair. This hair is gonna be my go-to hair because it's so effortless. I'm gonna be wearing this hair anywhere. I'm gonna be wearing this wig anywhere, any day. This hair will be my best hair. Hey guys, my best hair. I'm not gonna give this hair out. Like, if anyone asks me to give them any wig, this wig is not going. This wig is gonna be with me forever. Like, I will rock this wig till thy kingdom come, because it's so effortless and it suits all occasion. And for this summer, you guys, you need this wig. Like, look at me, so beautiful. Look at that, look at the back, so beautiful. You guys, effortless, glueless fringe bob, like beautiful. I'm gonna take this wig off quickly so you guys can see how easy and how quick you can actually wear this wig. Okay, so I'm gonna press start here. So that's start. Can you see? So what I'm gonna do is I'll take it out. Do you see that? Take it out, and then I will quickly look, put it on quickly. That's it. I'm ready to go. 1 minute. This is 1 point. It was 1.20 if I pick it up. This is 1.36, as you can see. Okay, less than 1 minute. Okay, let's cancel again. Cancel. Start. See, it's counting down. It's counting down, so you can see. It's counting down. I've not even started. Okay, it will start at 54. 54, right? Let's go. Take it out, girl. Put it on. Put it on. I'm ready to go. Ready to leave the house. Quickly, boom. Then you can push it back if you want. If you don't want it to come very low. Do you see that? And I'm ready to go. And it's still 135. So less than 1 minute, guys. Less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute to actually put on this wig. But if you want to do extra, maybe you want to spray water or comb it a little bit, it's still going to take you less than 1 minute. 1 minute or 2 minutes, maybe. Yes, less than that. You don't even need up to 5 minutes. 5 minutes is when you want to do extra, but there's nothing to do. Nothing. Did you see me take it out and put it back just like that? And I am popping. So you can either draw it down like so to cover your face for that day when you're not wearing makeup, or you take it up like this. So depends on how you want to wear it, and you can take it way up like so. Did you see? So it all depends on you. I really love it, and I love the fact that it's very secure. Very secure. This is one wig you wear. You don't need to worry about it falling off. It's very secure and very firm. So it's not tight that your head is hurting you, but you can just feel that everything is secure. So I'm going to put a link to Love Me wigs in the description box, okay? Also, you guys can check. They have a lot of beautiful styles for summer, for any occasion. Okay, link is gonna be down below. You guys, please don't forget to tell me I am popping. Please, like, let a girl know she's popping if I'm popping. I don't know about my blush. It looks like my blush is a little too much, but I love my blush too much anyway. But let me know if I'm popping. I'm sure I am popping because I'm feeling my hair from Luvme hair. Bye guys.